Hi my friends! Hi! Welcome to our channel English Professionally. And I've just recorded a great video on our second channel English with Alexander. So it's called, 1111 most common English questions with answers. Yeah, and I'm sure this video, and so this video on this channel English Professionally and this video on the channel English with Alexander will help us to understand fast English, and we'll be doing extremely useful exercises, actually to understand it better, how everything works. Okay, so you see that basically, we have our channel English Professionally and English with Alexander. I just tried to upload more advanced videos, on this channel, where I prepare everything, beforehand in advance, so that you can save your time. You can just, just follow the link and enjoy these absolutely amazing lessons and this video course. It's mostly for beginners and pre-intermediate students, but there are some, tips, which can be extremely helpful for more advanced students too. Okay, let's do the following. Okay, so do you understand fast English or not? So if we look at this video, for example, which is available on this channel English with Alexander, so this speed of this video maybe isn't so fast and isn't so slow at the same time, but anyway, it's close to fast. So just you can start listening to this video and try to understand. Okay, just ask yourself a question. So do you understand or not? And if you understand, that's great. But anyway, sometimes native speakers, they speak, too fast and you can't understand it. Okay, just I want to do the following. Okay, so we have this video. So you see there are so many, questions, answers. So we aren't going to repeat everything here. It would be ridiculous to do the same. But I'll just, actually choose some questions and answers from this video and try to understand it. Then I'll show you the text. Okay, are you ready? So try to understand the meaning and the phrases. Please listen, my friends. Please listen. So can you understand it or not? And then write something in the comments below. Okay. Why do you learn English? I do it because I want to communicate with people from other countries. Do you want to be a businessman? I like to earn good money and to be independent. Are you allergic to anything? I'm allergic to seafood. Have you ever heard the recent weather forecast? They said it will be rainy and cloudy tomorrow. Where is the closest ATM? Close to this building. So, my friends, okay, did you understand? Anything? Okay, I'll say it, I say it twice or 2 times, so one more time, please try to understand it, and then I'll be saying it more slowly. Look, try to understand it again, just the same text, the same, questions from this video. Okay, so, why do you learn English? I do it because I want to communicate with people from other countries. Do you want to be a businessman? Yes, I'd like to earn good money and to be independent. Are you allergic to anything? I'm allergic to seafood. Have you heard the recent weather forecast? They say it will be raining and cloudy tomorrow. Where is the closest ATM? Close to this building. Okay, I think that it's a little bit, clearer for you now. Anyway, you see, if we look at the speed of this video, maybe it's slower, so you can see it, but you can regulate it. So you know that we have this function on YouTube. So if this speed is slow for you, so you can, make it faster, let's say 2 times faster, and you have the same speed. Okay, so when you open this video and you see, okay, maybe the speed is normal, just listen it, maybe listen to it for the first time, for the second time, and then, so, you know, turn up the speed, so increase the speed, so make it faster. So, you know, you just heard an example. Okay, one more time. Okay, so I'll say the same, but you'll see the text. Look, and a little bit slower. Why do you learn English? I do it because I want to communicate with people from other countries. Do you want to be a businessman? Yes. I'd like to earn good money and be independent. Are you allergic to anything? I'm allergic to seafood. Have you heard the recent weather forecast? Yeah. They say it will be raining and cloudy tomorrow. Where is the closest ATM? Close to this building. Okay, you see, I think that you know most of these words. You know, just maybe when you say I'm allergic to seafood, it means that you can't, you know, eat it, so because of your health. And so ATM, so it's a machine where you know, get your money, yeah? So where you can get your money, use your credit card and so on, ATM. So it's a special machine for banknotes, for coins, for credit cards. So where is the closest ATM? So good, very good. So you see, you understand, yeah? So when you see the text, you understand. That's great. Okay, and so when you hear, yeah, it, you'll also be able to understand because you see the text, yeah? Okay, just you know, one more advanced exercise. Okay, I just be saying it so as fast as I did it initially. Okay, try to understand it, yeah, and follow the lines. Okay, so listen. Why do I learn English? I do it because I want to communicate with people from other countries. Do I want to be a businessman? Yeah, I'd like to earn good money and be independent. I'm allergic to anything? I'm allergic to seafood. Have you heard the recent weather forecast? Yeah, they said it'll be raining and cloudy tomorrow. Where is the closest ATM close to this building? Okay, you see, my friend, very good. One more time. Okay, I'll say it again, but you, please try to understand it. Yeah, please try to understand it because you won't see the text. Okay, try to understand it. So I'll be saying it slowly at first. Look, why do you learn English? I do it because I want to communicate with people from other countries. Do you want to be a businessman? Yes. I'd like to earn good money and be independent. Are you allergic to anything? I'm allergic to seafood. Have you ever heard the recent weather forecast? Yeah, they say it'll be raining and cloudy tomorrow. Where is the closest ATM? Close to this building. Good, very good. So I'm sure that you understood much more than at first. And you see, so these are the numbers of the questions in this video. Yeah, so I just put it at random, but in fact there are so many useful questions. So the concept is that if you want to improve your listening skills and to understand fast speech, first of all, you need to see the text. Yeah? So you saw the text, so you can watch these, materials once, 2 times, 3 times, yeah? Then you can regulate the speed, just make it faster, let's say, 2 times faster or a little bit less, and so try to understand it with at this speed. You see, it's important. And then close your eyes, and so close your eyes, so your eyes are closed, and you listen to a normal speed. And so when you have so a good level of understanding, just increase the speed. Okay, try to understand it again. Yeah, so you remember that at first I said everything very quickly. Okay, I'll try to do the same. Try to catch some words, phrases, and understand the meaning, the main meaning, the main idea. So, please, why do you learn English? I do it because I want to communicate with people from other countries. Do you want to be a businessman? Yes, I'd like to earn good money and be independent. Are you allergic to anything? I'm allergic to seafood. Have you ever heard the recent weather forecast? Yeah, they say it will be raining and cloudy tomorrow. Where is the closest ATM? Close to this building. Yeah, and you have to agree that it's much more comfortable to see the text first of all. Yeah, first of all you need to see the text. So why do you learn English? I do it because I want to communicate with people from other countries and so on. So see the text and practice. Yeah, first normal speed, then a high speed, then so without looking at the text, and then increase the speed, and you'll understand fast English. Yeah, soon. Okay, so this video, if you check it, it lasts for about maybe 1 hour and 40 minutes, but I believe it's worth it, because lots of English speaking and listening practice. So listening because you can listen to it a lot, and speaking because you can, make pauses and repeat. It's one more very effective, way of working with the text. So not only listening, but so make pauses and repeat. Make pauses and repeat. For example, you see, okay, look, you see this phrase, why do you learn English? And you repeat, why do you learn English? Or how will you say it? Most students will say, I do it because I want to communicate with people from other countries. No, you need to imitate the intonation. Look, I do it because I want to communicate with people from other countries. I do it because I want to communicate with people from other countries. Yeah, but I think it's better to do it in parts. I do it because I want to communicate with people from other countries. It's also, an essential part of this English, listening and speaking exercise. Okay, my friends, I try to be short. I think it's a perfect way of understanding fast English. Yeah. So enjoy watching videos on our channel English Professionally and on our second channel English with Alexander. And I wish you good luck, my friends. Really, I want you to do the best. Yeah. Thank you.